1, 2. Okay, why does it look like you three are over there and then I'm over here? Do you change?
No, because you said.
Oh, okay. Hey everyone, as you can see, I have some special guests here. This is my nephew, my niece, and of course my sister. So today we're going to be doing something very fun. I went to a NYX event and I got some Japanese candy, so we're going to be trying it out today. So if you want to see our reactions and how we like the candy, then just keep on watching. The first candy that we're going to be trying out, I think it's called Puccho or Puccho. I'm not 100% sure. So it's the exact same candy but two different flavors. So the first one that we're going to try out is Grape. Okay, so everybody take one, and I'm not sure. It says that this is a grape flavor soft candy. So here, that one's for you. So let's see how it tastes. How does it smell, everyone?
It smells good and it's good. It smells great.
It's pretty good. That is how it looks like. Kind of reminds me of Starburst a little bit. All right, everyone ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
You put the whole thing in your mouth?
Yeah. What does everyone think? Kind of tastes like yogurty.
It tastes like something similar to Skittles. At least.
Not bad.
Okay. But it kind of has like a gummy,
Yeah.
like gum.
Mhm.
That's it, it's really chewy.
Like it kind of reminds me of gum mixed with
Starburst.
Starburst. Cause I find with Starburst, it's not as chewy. So it's not bad.
Oh, this is look.
So then a thumbs up, everyone.
Mhm.
You like it? What did it taste like?
Thanks.
Good.
So
I'll rate it
let's rate
a 3.5 out of 5.
it. I will rate it 4 out of 5.
Okay.
It's stuck in my tooth.
All right, let's taste the next flavor.
Nonsense.
A 6 out of 5?
Okay, let's taste the next flavor.
So
Joe, someone sit down.
I think the second flavor will be a little bit better.
Okay, so this one is melon.
Melon. It almost looks like cheese.
You can show them up close.
It almost looks like cheese.
That's
Well, because
funny.
it has white and a little bit of yellow or orange. That's why it looks like cheese.
All right, everyone ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Doop. Doop. Doop.
I can't rate this.
You gotta break that.
This one's a little
Kind of
bit
nice
better.
flavor.
I like this one better than the green.
I like the flavor. It's the texture that kind of throws me off a little, cause like you wanna like chew it, but it doesn't want to break down.
This is gum or flavor.
Yeah, it doesn't want to break down. Like the flavor is really good. I prefer this flavor. Do you like the flavor?
Yeah.
Over the other one. I just wish it would like
this
break
is like
down
gum.
a bit.
I feel like this should be gum.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said it's like in between gum and Starburst.
Yeah, it's not bad. The other one is really artificial.
Yeah, this flavor is better.
I like melon way more than grape because the grape has a strong taste but a little bit of sweet.
I like melon,
Cool.
but not grape until later.
What are you gonna do with this when it's done?
Me?
Which one?
No, that's what
I don't want it.
It's not eat that.
You're gonna eat that one.
Yay. I want to have that.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So this one is called Kasugai. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly again, but this one is a mango gummy candy.
Mango gummy candy.
So here,
Kasugai. What?
I don't even know. Let's not even try to butcher that. Okay.
So it reminds me
It smells good.
of something.
Yeah,
it
but
smells
what's your
really
hand?
good, actually.
Oh, it's gone.
All right, ready, everyone? 1, 2, 3, go.
Mm.
Not bad.
Mm.
It's just like a healthy gummy.
Yeah,
It's
that
almost
Or
like
vitamin.
What? Like vitamins.
Yeah.
that was good.
Well,
Well, it was
this
such a
one-
little bit, so I can't really taste it.
There's this whole thing.
Oh, it's
Black
Next, we're gonna have some chocolate. And what did you say it was called?
Black Thunder.
All right. So let's see how this looks. And this, I'm not sure if there's stuff inside of it,
wow, I
but
don't even know what the ingredients is.
nope, it's in a different language. That is how it
No one's
looks.
allergic to anything, right?
No.
Nope. Here, Brianna. Here, Josiah.
So it smells like marshmallows. mixed
Yeah,
with
maybe it's
chocolate.
marshmallow. Okay, so
So-
hold on, don't start eating them yet.
I was
Did you put it in your mouth?
just trying to put it
Oh,
in
who
the-
cares?
This is how it looks. And there's some white stuff if you could shock
Yeah,
that.
so there's definitely something inside here. So let's see how it tastes.
Mm.
Well, see, you're
It's like a wafer.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Like the chocolate, I would say it's like milk chocolate with maybe a little bit of dark chocolate on top, but it was actually really good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to see. I've tasted something like that before, but are you okay? Have you guys ever had those wafers? Okay, there was like this
I
tin.
was chewing
with-
that and I'm like,
Yeah, she's crazy. Okay, have you guys ever
like,
had this?
it's really good. And I'm here like,
You didn't like it? Okay, it wasn't bad. Okay, well, listen, I'm trying to tell you guys something. Have you ever had
Yes,
that chocolate from that tin with the individual
Okay,
wafers and the chocolates on it? Okay, well, basically, it tastes like a chocolate. If I could find out the name of it, I would say it reminds me of that. But it was pretty good. I actually wouldn't mind some more of that. So,
oh, you guys have it.
yeah, it was actually really good.
I would have stopped too.
Here you go.
Wow.
You know you spit.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Look.
Oh, God. I baked it. You enjoy it. Alright, is that out?
So we're done eating all the different Japanese treats and we're just gonna basically tell you guys our thoughts on it. So for me personally, I definitely like the chocolate the best, and I'm the kind of person that's a little bit hesitant to eat any kind of chocolate with something in it that I don't know what it is. So I was really happy to see that it was basically just like a wafer in there and it tasted really good. So that's my favorite. Then I would say the gummy melon candy, and then afterwards I would say the grape and the, I don't know what to call it, but the Puccho, whatever that was. So yeah, that's my
And we're
rating.
just laughing.
Yeah, so tell me how, for you, what was your opinion on the candy?
I liked the chocolate the most
You like the chocolate the best? Okay.
because sometimes I have wafers at home
Okay.
and it reminds me of marshmallows that had chocolates in marshmallow.
Okay.
And then my second one is the mango gummy, and then what's that one again?
And then basically the ones that I couldn't
That one,
pronounce.
and then last but not least, this one had a very weird flavor.
Okay. All right. And then what about you? What was your? You just could tell us
I'm
your
a more
favorite.
My favorite one is this one.
Mhm.
And this one.
Okay, so he really liked the melon gummy, and he liked
That's not melon.
sorry, the mango
Mango.
gummy, and he really liked the melon candy. And Sarah, I don't know if she liked anything, but she'll let us know.
I go to design.
These are your favorites?
Yeah, those ones, because chocolate, I'm not a big fan of chocolate. It was okay. It was like, I don't know. It was alright. I guess my piece was too small. The first one should have been gum, or else I would have really liked that.
Mhm.
And the other one, the gummy one was good. It just tasted like a vitamin or gummies.
Yeah.
It didn't taste like mango, huh?
Yeah, so overall a pretty good experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below.
I said that you might taste the mango flavor because we cut it up in 4 little pieces, and then you might not taste as much mango.
Yeah, so we didn't have that much, so we did have to cut it into smaller pieces so that everyone could get a
And
piece
it'll
of the
be
candy.
equal.
So that's what we had to do. But that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and like as well. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.